Okay, this is the review for the third 6 weeks test. Problem 1 asks which equation matches the scenario below. Cassandra bought a new dress for $62.75 and received $17.25 in change. What is X, the amount of money she gave the cashier? Now that sounds like we want to solve for X, but really the question is asking us to find the equation that matches this word problem below. So I think on problems like this, if you immediately start to consider the answer choices, that can lead you in the wrong direction. So let's forget about the answer choices for now and just try to build up our own equation from this problem. Cassandra has some amount of money, it's unknown, X, and she pays for a dress. So she hands the cashier X amount of money, and he subtracts the price of the dress, because if she's paying for the dress, he's going to take out that amount from the amount she gave him. So X minus $62.75 would equal the change she would get back. So the difference between what she handed him and the price of the dress, which is $17.25. And looking at the answer choices, that's answer choice C. Number 2 asks which problem situation matches the equation below. 40x is 40 times x, so we're looking for an answer choice that has, first of all, has operation multiplication, and it matches our equation. Okay, so let's consider each of these. After depositing $40 in his savings account, Ben has $480 in his account. So right away I know this one's wrong, because depositing money is like putting money in the bank, and that operation is adding, so that's plus 40, something plus 40. So let's skip A for now. B says Richard must read a 480-page book for language arts class. He reads 40 pages every night. What is X, the number of nights it will take him to finish reading the book? So if Richard reads for one night, he'll read 40 pages. If he reads for 2 nights, he'll read 80 pages. If he reads for 3 nights, he'll read 120 pages. So it's 40 pages times the number of nights to find out how many pages he reads. So 40 times the number of nights, but they tell us X is the number of nights, it's unknown. So 40 times X will equal the total number of pages in the book for him to complete the book. So 40x equals 480, and that's the equation we were looking for. So B is the correct answer. Now in the third 6 weeks test, on problems like this, they take quite a while. I think if you're fairly confident you have the right answer, you found the right answer choice, I would move on, and then I would consider the other answer choices at the end of the test if you have time left over at the end of the test. Okay, and here's your chance to win a golden ticket. I'd like you to, in order to win the golden ticket, look at the answer choices we didn't select, the answer choices that are incorrect, and figure out, write an equation for each one of these answer choices. So for answer choice A, write an equation using X, 40, and 480. For answer choice C, we have the same numbers, and X's are unknown in all of these, but the scenario is different. So try to write an equation for A, C, and D, and the first person to get 3 correct equations to me on Monday will win the golden ticket, and every other student that gets it done will get 10 tickets for the last prize drawing of the third 6 weeks, which will occur on Thursday. Okay, I'm going to wrap this video up here and continue the next video with problem 3.